Here, I have one of the participants who have applied for 2G3G Welding under Total 2024. This from Mirembe Edith from Isingiro District. Mirembe Edith from Isingiro District, you're welcome. I want you to tell us what has sparked you to come for these interviews and to apply for 2G and 3G Welding. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm Mirembe Edith from Isingiro District, Rugaga Town Council. So where I come from, there are very many youths, very many. But our major source of income is matoke, which is actually cheaper. A bunch of matoke could go up to 1,000, like nowadays. And we have electricity. We are blessed that we have electricity, but what are we using it for? We are not actually using it for anything. So when I was doing my research, I felt if I make a workshop there, with the electricity that is there already, we don't even need to ask for the electricity. These youths, actually that will be like a profession. They will come, do the welding and study, and get the skills rather than going for the matoke. And we are actually not developing. We are in a developed place, but we are not developed. So that sparked my understanding, and I decided to come for this training. If I study this 2G and 3G welding, and I actually am interested in health and safety. So when I put those two together, I think I'll be a better person and I'll make my community become a very good one and a better one. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Mirembe Edith. We are interested and we are praying that you go through these interviews and come and be part of the team that we are going to train in Sunmaker. Have a good day.